this is my Ruby on Rails project for Flatiron. So these are the specs. What we're going to have our sign up page, a login page, a logout page, third-party sign up. I am going to be using Twitter for that one. Nested resources and routes. And then it has one many-to-many relationship. I actually did too. And then all these other stuffs. We're not going to go all over it because it's going to take too long. We're going to try to make this really quick. So yeah, let's load up our Rails server. It is loading. All right, we're good. Oh. Localhost. All right, so it's called SurgeryWiki. So what is this app for? So I built this app for basically my current job right now. I'm a registered nurse at a operating department somewhere in Chicago, and so basically I built this app so that we can find things more smoothly, like whether it's an inventory or a frequently asked question. So an inventory would be anything that relates to equipment, and then memos are anything that relates to any kind of frequently asked questions. So for example, so think of like Wikipedia, where anyone can edit anything, and combined with Google with a search like this. So for example, think of me as a nurse and, hey, doctor asked me, can you grab me a Dabhoff? I have no idea what a Dabhoff is. I can just go up here and type in Dabhoff. I don't have it here because I'm on my local host. I am, what do you call it? My database here is different from, it's all like test database. So let's go to the production website. So I built this for real and I'm already logged in. So yeah, let's look for Dabhoff. And there you go. We got one search result. And if I click on it, it'll show me a picture and it'll show me where the location is of this specific location. So for example, this thing is called CoreFlow, but some surgeons would call it Dabhoff for some reason. I don't know why. So yeah, would be helpful in situations like that. For example, I'm looking for burr. Oh, spelled burr. Burr. There you go. Click on this, and it'll show me a picture of where it's at again, and then locations. All right. Some other questions that might arise, like how do I set up for the Vinci robot? Vinci, so I can type in the Vinci, and then there you go. I'll show me a picture of it. Some other questions could be like, how do I set up for like an emergency screening? So emergency screening. There you go. It'll tell me some notes about what equipments are needed and what meds are needed. So yeah, that's exactly what it is. And if I don't like this, I can easily edit this. Let's say, what else do I need? Meds, I got fluciltrombin. What other meds do I need? Maybe 3 bottles of saline. All right, take memo, and there you go. It's updated, and it'll also show me that up there I updated it successfully. So those are the validations that the specs are talking about. What else? So as far as correlations, I guess teams have many. So these are the teams, right? So if I click on Neuro, it has a lot of inventory. So a service has many inventory, an inventory has many services. Same goes with memos. Memos has many services, services have many memos. I click on this memo, show me this service. I click on this inventory, it has many services, like Fetal only has one. So yeah, that's what it is. Also have to talk about. Did most of those. Oh, sign up, login, and log out. All right, we can do that. So I'm already logged in, let's log out. So if you're logged out, you cannot access any of those where to go? URLs, like for example, inventories. It's just gonna log me back onto like this page where you have to log in. So anyway, you can use Twitter. I am already logged into my Twitter, I think. Let's go to my Twitter if I'm logged in. No, I'm not. All right, so we can do this. Log in via Twitter. Oh, I am logged in. Oh, that's so weird. My profile. Oh yeah, I am logged in. All right, so I was able to successfully log in via my Twitter. So yeah, that's pretty quick. And I'll show my Twitter handle up here also. I look at edit my profile. That's my username is my Twitter handle, basically. That's how I designed it. And then let's log out. Or you can create an account if you want. If you could create an account, just ask for username and email. For email, it has some validation so that it will actually make sure that there's an symbol. So for example, I just go like that, do this, and sign up. See that? It's going to ask for that validation. What else? Oh, nested resource and routes. Okay. Let's just log in via my Twitter. It's faster. And for nested routes, if I click on create an inventory, look at that. It says users, 3, that's my user ID, and then inventories, and then you. So that is the nested route. This is me making a new inventory, and this is memo. Users, 3 memos. So yeah. So I guess the easiest way to understand the schema is this way on my stories. So the schema looks like this. There you go. So I have users, memos, inventories, and services. So users have many memos and many inventories, and inventories have many services. Memos have many services. Services have many memos. Services have many inventories, and these are the join tables. This is my blog post for it. Also to show you. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Maybe I should just show you how to like upload things. This is Corona. I'm just kidding, I don't have it. So let's go to the local host again. Let's just create an inventory real quick. Be done with this. You can upload a picture. Maybe listeners. Speed search, quick inventory. Done. See location, any additional info, and then what service it is. And then if you view all my inventories, it should be paginated. It should be on the last one. There you go. Let's create a memo. A picture. Maybe some Cybertruck. Create memo. There you go. This is the memo. If I view all the memos, it should be on the last one. Boom. There it is. So yeah, that is the project. Hope you like it.